Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a task management app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating a task management app in Glide is a simple and efficient way to manage your daily tasks. The first step in this process is to navigate to the left menu on the Glide platform and select the Templates option. This will redirect you to your template page where you can view any existing templates. To access more options, click on the Template Store. This action will lead you to the Templates library. Within the Templates library, you'll notice that the templates are organized into different categories, which you can easily browse from the left menu. Additionally, if you're looking for a specific template, you can utilize the search bar at the top of the page. In this case, we're interested in creating a task management app. Therefore, we'll input the keyword task management into the search bar. The search results will then display a variety of relevant templates. For this tutorial, let's select the first template titled Daily Task Management. Upon clicking on this template, you'll be redirected to another page with two options on the right side, Create this app and Preview. We'll proceed by clicking on the Create this app button, bringing us to the editor for further customization of the template. After customizing your app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. To do this, simply click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. Once your app is published, a Share button will appear in the same location. Clicking on this button will provide you with multiple options to share your app, including generating a QR code, creating a link, or inviting users via email. And there you have it. The Beginner's Guide has hopefully equipped you with the basics of building a task management app in Glide. By following these steps, you can create a functional and user-friendly app tailored to your needs. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.